Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum, a smart home essential that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Let's see if this gadget lives up to the hype. Imagine waking up to a spotless home without lifting a finger. That's the promise of the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. It boasts advanced features like room mapping, smart home integration, and even a self-emptying dustbin. But does it really deliver on these promises? Let's find out. First up, let's talk design. The Shark IQ has a sleek, low-profile design that allows it to effortlessly glide under furniture, ensuring no dust bunny is left behind. Its matte black docking station might not scream luxury, but it gets the job done. The setup is straightforward. Simply place the dock, let the vacuum map your home, and you're ready to roll. Now, onto performance. This vacuum impressed us with its suction power, tackling everything from pet hair to spilled cereal with ease. Unlike some competitors, it cleans in a methodical grid pattern, maximizing efficiency. However, it can get a bit loud when faced with larger debris. Nonetheless, it's a champ on both hardwood floors and carpets, making it versatile for any home. Here's where the Shark IQ truly shines: its smart features. Connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you can control it from anywhere using the Shark Clean app. The app allows you to create custom cleaning schedules, set no-go zones, and even command it using voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. Want to clean just the kitchen before guests arrive? Just say the word. So, is the Shark IQ worth it? If you're looking for a smart, efficient way to keep your floors clean without the hassle, absolutely. It combines strong suction with intelligent features, making it a standout in the crowded robot vacuum market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your gadgets smart. Cheers!